Welcome back to this YouTube channel. We are still under limits. This is calculus, differential calculus to be specific. So we have limit as x approaches -1 of this quotient we have. So what do? We notice to say the numerator has a radical, or rather is set. So what do? So to work this out, it will be very important that we initiate the idea of this being rationalized. So look at rationalization of the numerator. So where rationalization is concerned, we bring in the concept of the conjugate. So here we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator. So this therefore gives us limit as x approaches -1 of the square root of x squared plus 8 minus 3 divided by x plus 1. So this will be multiplied by, so we're saying that we're multiplying both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the numerator, as that's the condition for rationalization. So this would be square root of x squared plus 8. So rationalization means that if our sign is negative, we will simply have a positive and the values are to be retained. So what we've done to the numerator, we'll do the same to the denominator. Okay, so you notice that we continue with this limit as x approaches -1. Now you see that the first part we have here is the first part there. The second part is the second part as well. Difference in terms of signs. So we initiate the concept of this. So we understand that if this is what we have, then the result happens to be the first part squared minus the second part squared. So this is the concept of bringing. So it means that this first part will be a and it will be squared. So hence square root of x squared plus 8 will simply be squared. Then we say minus our b, which is this, is also going to be squared. Then over the part we have done to mean that it is x plus 1. Multiplying everything here. So this will be in brackets. Then plus 3. Alright, so now what we have next, we have that this will be limit as x approaches -1. The square and the square root will go. We have x squared plus 8. Then minus 3 squared simply gives us a 9. Then we say over what we have here, which is x plus 1, multiplying with x squared plus 8 under the root, then plus 3. Okay, so we're clear in this part. So we continue from where we ended from. So we have limit as x approaches -1. So we have x squared. Now 8 minus 9 gives us a -1 over x plus 1 in brackets to multiply with this, which is square root of x squared plus 8 plus 3. Alright, so now you notice to say this part we have is the same as, so we write our limit as x approaches -1. The part we have on top is x squared minus 1 squared. Then we say over, I was not saying 1 squared is the same as 1. Then we say over x plus 1 root of x squared plus 8 plus 3. We have right beside x squared minus 1 squared is the same as x minus 1, x plus 1, concept from difference of two squares. Then divided by the denominator where it is. Alright, so now what we have is that this x plus 1 and that x plus 1 will go. We are left with x, well, we are left with limit as x approaches negative 1 of, on top there's x minus 1 over root of x squared plus 8 plus 3. Alright, so now from what we have, it is now safe to substitute wherever there's x with a negative 1. Upon substituting, we'll stop writing this. So there is x substitute the negative 1 minus 1 over root of, while there's x substitute the negative 1, so this will be negative 1 squared, then plus 8, then plus 3. So this therefore gives us negative 1 minus 1 will get negative 2 over negative 1 squared will give us a 1, then plus 8 we get square root of 9, then plus 2. So this therefore gives us negative 2 over square root of 9 is 3, and 3 plus 3 gives us 6. So we now have that on top we'll be left with negative 1 over 6. Upon 2 going to 6 we get 3. Thank you very much.